where he wants them. You need to dig the hole bigger than the pot, obviously, and we're going to need it deeper also, because when you plant the tree, we have to put the soil back into the hole, and then we want to put it below the level of the earth. So you want it about 2 inches deeper than it sits. So when you get the hole dug, put the pot in it, you want it to be about 2 inches deeper. Then once we take the pot off of it, it may be root bound, where you see a lot of white roots along the side. If that happens, we got to pull the roots loose, because otherwise it's going to ball up.
Organization that brings amazing people together. As you can see, you're beautiful, amazing, efficient eco-soldiers, global eco-soldiers. And we have Mr. Paul Lutz from Home Depot and Archie with Purol Vision. They helped me with this big blueberry tree to bury in the ground. It's huge. And I just want to dedicate this tree to both of my parents, because if it wasn't for them, I will not be here. This troublemaker will not be here today. So I love the fact that, you know, they instilled this amazing seed in my heart to take care of the planet. My mom was very inclined to, you know, loving animals. My dad was all about saving the Amazon. And I grew up with both of these, you know, amazing souls that made me, that inspired me to become who I am today. And also my school too. I was educated in a very nice school in Colombia, where we celebrated Earth Day, and I very much enjoyed that day. And I am the byproduct of, you know, society and great parent education. I also want to dedicate these to the Global Eco Army all around the world, and all the eco soldiers that joined us for the past 3 years. So we're very honored to have all of you. Thank you for joining us, and we're gonna be ready to have lunch here soon with Outback Steakhouse in a beautiful, amazing, long setting table, where we're gonna get the opportunity to meet each other and get to, you know, find out what inspired everybody to join us and what company they represent, and get to meet and mingle with one another, since we've been hands-on work and we didn't have the chance to meet one another. But that's why we have the long table, to give us that shot of opportunity to not miss out on the friendship that we can build here today and hopefully forever with one another. Being part of my soul mission, so to speak, I guess I manifested you, you manifested me. This is, I hope, a beautiful day, and you enjoyed it as much as I did. I know it was a little bit sunny and a little bit of work, but hey, that's what we came here, right, for? And I am so happy and proud to have all these amazing Fortune 500 companies that joined us, from like Home Depot to Outback to Starbucks to Purol Vision to Color Photography, State Farm, Fresh Market, La Pequeña Colombia, and you know, everybody else has been amazing, and we could have not done it without you guys. And I hope you guys can join us our next event, which will be August 22nd on Angel Day. We're gonna do a cleanup. We're gonna have a nice fancy lunch as well. But we're gonna meet amazing people, amazing souls that are trying to help heal our planet Earth. So I want to thank also the Central Bible Chapel for hosting, allowing us to host the event here, because if it wasn't for them, you know, we wouldn't be here. I also want to thank Sean and Algo for helping us with the nice, you know, sometimes we do silent auctions, sometimes we do like buy now, like they just help us fundraise with their items. So if you guys like something, I will encourage you to, you know, get it now while Sean is still here. It will really be appreciated. We don't have any extra source of income as we speak. This is my full-time job. I don't do this part-time. As you can see, it takes a lot of time and energy. So your support is really appreciated. And those who already donated, purchased the raffle tickets, thank you so much.